All right, you are about to take the oath. We need you to cover the offensive part that you are now displaying and repeat after me. I state your name.
I state your name.
Solemnly swear that I will resist.
Solemnly swear that I will resist.
The temptation to wear the evil garment.
The temptation to wear the evil garment.
Commonly known as.
Commonly known as.
Togs.
Dogs.
Scungies.
Scungies.
Bun huggers.
Bun huggers.
Sluggos.
Sluggos.
Palm smugglers.
Plum smugglers.
Banana hammocks.
Banana hammocks.
Crack splitters.
Crack splitters.
Butt floss.
Butt floss.
Speedos.
Speedos.
Etc., etc., etc. Outside of swimming or racing.
Outside of swimming or racing.
I further promise to uphold
I further promise to uphold
the sanctity of the local's home,
the sanctity of the local's home,
of which I am a guest,
of which I am a guest,
by frequenting public places,
by frequenting public places,
in proper attire,
in proper attire,
obeying traffic laws,
obeying traffic laws,
and being courteous at all times.
and being courteous at all times.
This I pledge as an Ironman veteran,
This I pledge as an Ironman veteran,
first-timer,
first-timer,
or wannabe.
or wannabe.
All right, let's get this show on the road.